Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will guide you through the simple process of linking your phone number to your Trip.com account using the Android app. Linking your phone helps secure your account and makes it easier to manage your bookings and notifications. Let's get started. First, open the Trip.com app on your Android device. Make sure you're in the Account section. Next, tap the Settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. In the Settings menu, tap on Manage My Account. Now click on the Linked Phone option. Once there, enter your phone number carefully. Then tap on the Continue button. Trip.com will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app in the provided field. Finally, click Verify to complete the linking process. That's how you link your phone number on the Trip.com app for Android. This quick step increases your account security and makes communication easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.